welcome back. It is Monster Mash Part 2. So again we are starting with Gilver just on the free edge because it is a peekaboo set, so when you turn it over you see the Gilver underneath instead of the design that's on top. And yes, I am super late uploading this, so apologies. Then first, coming in with brilliant white on the middle finger, and I'm just making sure that I've got a full coverage basically. A nice plain white base. This is where the lip decals and the little glitter bats are going to go. So you make sure you've done it as thin as you can so you can put the decals in and then be able to cap them in acrylic so there's no chipping or losing them. And then over to the pinky with Black Beauty, just again doing a full coverage. And again doing Black Beauty over on the pointer. For a second I forgot what the finger was called, but it's all good, it's all good. Over to the ring finger with Love Affair, beautiful bright red. Then I'm just slapping on top some GlitterStella's Ruby Red Slippers glitter. Just taking a small bead of clear acrylic and then picking up some glitter and then just spreading it around the nail until I'm happy with how it looks. I don't want it to be like OTT, but I just wanted it to have something, you know, rather than nothing. And then I'm going to cap that glitter once it's dry so I know that that is done and dusted. Coming back to the middle nail and putting on the layer of base coat so I can pop my decals into the wet layer and cure them into place before I cap. Oh, and the decals are from Queen of Decals, by the way. And just before I cap the nail, I'm just adding in some of Glitterama's little holographic bats. And once they are all dry, I'm going to make sure all the nails are capped, file them into shape and put on top coat. And using my brand new beautiful rainbow brush from Kylie Worry, it's my new 3D brush. I'm just using some glitter, I think it is Glitter Fairy. I will have a look and I will write it below in the description box. I'm pretty sure it is Glitter Fairy. And I'm just building like the tiniest body and the tiniest head of a spider and then covering it over with clear acrylic to make sure it's all sealed and it's not going to go anywhere. Then I'm using Serene Green, which is like the olive shaded one, as well as a green that I've mixed up using pigment and clear. And I'm just double dipping into the Serene Green and then the dark green and building just basically a rectangle on top of the nail, which is going to be like a 3D monster finger with a little red stiletto. I didn't have the right shade of green for the darker one, however I do now. Typical, right? Typical. The one that I would use in place of using the pigment mix is the new one in the Christmas collection and it's called Mistletoe. And I'm just using my 3D brush. I was thinking, what brush am I using? I'm using my 3D brush and I'm just sculpting out a little red nail and then filling in around the sides, what would be the sides, the skin of the finger, with the greens, just to make it look a bit better. And then with some white gel paint, I'm just using a long liner brush because I've demolished all of my other stripers. Hey ho. I would use like a medium length otherwise. I'm just using it to draw in some spider legs, or close to spider legs. I was not having a good spider day. Again, it was like stupid o'clock, so yeah. Pooped. Well and truly pooped. And then I thought I'd do like a little pattern on top as well, because I'm also going to seal the body of this spider in top coat as well, just so you can see the sparkle of the glitter properly at the end. And I thought I'd just do a bit of a design. It's like a glittery false widow. Then back over to the monster finger, and this time I'm using black gel paint and again my striper brush, and I'm just outlining the finger so it becomes more of a comic style, with a black outline, like a cell shading in some games. And then I draw in the knuckles of the finger, and after that I come in with white gel paint and I do one single line in the top right hand corner of the red monster nail, and it's just to give it like the light reflection like on your usual comic style nails. So I've chromed up the little nail, and then I'm using top coat and a dotting tool to just draw in eyeball shapes into the chrome, on top of the chrome. So then when I go to cure them, and then I use a wipe and some like acetone or IPA to remove it. Look, it disappears, and there's only where I put the top coat. Of course. Sure you know this by now. I colour in two of them with green gel paint just to make them slightly darker. I do a bit of detailing with the pupil with the others, and then I build them up with top coat so there's like a 3D effect to them. They do look a lot better in real life. Like, I did not manage to catch them under the light properly in this, so that sucks. Now it's time to get on to the Christmas nails. Now it's mid-November. I cannot wait. So I will see you very soon, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!